Okay, guys, look, I'm basically going to show you how it all works, right? So we have a group, and we're going to collect data from the group. We're going to come over here, and this is the group that I'm an admin in. And so what I'm doing is he gets a lot of good engagement, organically. So he did a poll yesterday, people that are struggling eating the right food. So he mentioned everybody dropped their emails. And then I just seen this and I was like, all right, we're going to do something better. We're going to come over here. We're going to go ahead and just create a funnel for these guys to sign up. And I've already gotten it. It's already made. And it's basically going to look like this. Let's close some of these off so we can work a little faster. All right, and so here's pretty much the funnel. And then they want to get my grocery list. All we're going to do is get the first name, last name, and email. And then, so when they come in, we're going to go ahead and create an automation for this. And this is where the benefits comes in for people like us, because we're over here making content. Let's keep this stuff on autopilot, right? And this is how you do it. You come in here. We'll use this software. This is GHL. I'll drop the link. So if you want to sign up, and there's a 14-day trial, and then if you screenshot it and send it to me, it's called I'll build you your first funnel. I'll build you your first little automation template. You know what I mean? I'll set it up for you. And so check it out, man. So if you're coming over here, so this is going to be the grocery list. So what we're doing is we're going to set up an automation. We're going to come over here, and this is how cool this stuff is. You can find the form that we're going to use. It's going to come right here. And then we got the grocery list right there. It's the grocery list form. And then first off, we're going to do is you're going to want to tag it so you know where it's coming from. Let's see. Let's go ahead and create a little list. Boom. And then name it. And then we're going to add tag. And then there it is right there. Grocery list. So, because what we could do is whenever this tag hits, it can trigger some stuff later on. So, you got to think like 2-3 steps ahead. So first and foremost, what we're going to do is we could send a notification, letting our team know that, hey, somebody just hit you up, grocery list. And then, to be honest, we really don't need to, because this is something that we just want to automate and then just build a list on. So we really don't need to eternal notification. But what we will do is we will send that grocery list. And so this is where you can come in and create the email. You can come over here and be like, all right, it's from the name of the account. It's from the account's email. And then you can put a subject. And then you can even have pre stuff, but we don't have that. So the subject is your grocery list. And then if you don't even have ideas, this is what's even more cool, right? You don't have ideas, go to the AI, Chat GPT. Currently it's still free. You can also use Jasper. They're actually connected to OpenAI, and OpenAI is the I guess you could say software that this is connected to. And so it can be like, give me a headline subject for a email that contains a grocery list for eating right and staying within your macro count. Watch. And just hit enter. There it is. Maximize your macros and eat right with the grocery list. With this grocery list. Boom. See? Perfect. Didn't even have to think of it. It's like an assistant. You know, I know a lot of people, there's some people that are like, oh man, I have ChatGPT. Blah, 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 blah. They get all mad. It's not real. Honestly, dude, like, I'm giving the message. I know what to look for. I'm editing this stuff before I even really, send it. I even got to the point to where you can even type enough information to get the right information. And then there's other AIs that you can even go to, and it'll like create, like reword it so that it looks more original. Like, it's pretty tripped out. You just need to know how to talk to the AIs, basically. So it's all communication over here. So now we got that. Now we can create. Now we can say, now create the email. Now create the email with call to action to set up an appointment for fit movement special offer that comes with one-on-one coaching, support team and group. Let's see, diet plan, special pre-meals. Was it pre-made meals or pre-meals? Special pre-meals. Let's see, discounts. Let's see what else. Custom routine, custom workouts, catered to your body and level. And let's just see what this happens. Let's see what happens. Boom. There we go. Boom, boom, boom. Let's pause it. Okay, so here we go. Take this right here. Then you're going to come over here, and I'm just going to drop it. Then I can even create it as a template, so like we can use it over and over and over. So it's like, boom, dear. Then you come over here, and you put the first name, or you could put full name, but I'm just going to put first name. And anybody that signs up, it's already going to know to put the right name in there. So that automates that for you too. I hope this email finds you well. As promised, I have attached a grid list to help you find the macros. And then, however, if you're looking to take your fitness journey to the next level, I'm excited to offer you, I have an exciting offer for you. FitMove is currently offering a special package that includes one-on-one coaching, access to supported team and group, and personalized diet plans, special discounts on pre-made meals, and custom workouts tailored to your body and fitness level. And then with this package, you'll have all the tools and support you need to achieve your fitness goals. And then we'll go more. Fit movement. We believe that fitness is not just about working out, but also about eating right and having a supportive community. Our team of experienced trainers and coaches is dedicated to helping you reach your full potential and make long-lasting lifestyle changes. So, pretty cool, right? So if you're ready to take the next step in your fitness journey. So, are you ready to take the next step in your fitness journey? If so, let's set up a time to discuss this offer in more detail and answer any questions you may have. And then, boom, simply reply to this email and call us. So here's the cool part. So they'll get assigned a Twilio number. A Twilio number is just a number that's given that's connected to your phone. so that, it's like having your business number, you know what I mean? Then you can have your phone, your private number still private for your family and stuff. And then it even like knows to like who's calling. You can record the call if you want it. Like there's so many benefits to having it set up like this. Like, because what we're doing is we're tracking everything. So we got the location phone right here, and to schedule your appointment. And then let's see here. Thank you for considering Fit Moving as your partner in health and fitness. Boom. We look forward to hearing from you. Best regards. And then here's where you can do it even more. So it even looks like, so you can assign a user, and a user is basically a team member. And whenever it fills out, that team member will be assigned to this lead. And then it looks like this lead is talking to them. So it looks like they're talking to somebody. It's one thing to talk to like a company, but then it's like, oh, wow, there's somebody that's actually somebody I'm actually talking to. So we'll do that, make it more personal. And then let's see, and then we'll also add the company name. Boom. There you go. And then what's so cool is, simply reply to this email or call us, schedule. We're going to do this. Simply watch this. Simply click right here to schedule a time. So we want them to, hit us up. Like, there's only two options: schedule an appointment or call us. Because once you get them on the phone, you have a better percentage of closing them. You know what I mean? So, see, we created a link list. So, because now what this means is that we can drop this in here, and when they click it, we can set off a trigger to notify us that they clicked it, or to send like a text, to let them know that we're thinking about them. Like, as soon as they click, you ever done that? You click something, all of a sudden they send you a message like, whoa, that's kind of weird. I was just thinking of y'all. Well, that's how this works, guys. So we're going to have the calendar link, and then boom, that's the team calendar. Set it up right there. Now it's set up to this, or it's going to call here. And then if they're on their cell phone, now check this out. If they're on their cell phone, they're just literally going to be a button away. So let's see if it takes them. See if I have that yet. Oh, no, I sure don't. So what we can do though is, I believe you could do this. Boom, boom, boom. And then, I got to get the phone number. All right, I'll add that later, but you can actually get it to where they click it, and then it takes it straight to the number. So, all right, so we're going to save this. You got that ready. We're going to go ahead and assign user. And see, you can have your team members all on here, and then have them right there, and then you can go equally, or you can do unevenly, and you can have it like where it's like how do you want it? You know what I mean? The traffic coming in. And they have their calendar set up to their hours, so they already know it's on their Google Calendar. And then it gets assigned, it gets add tagged, and then email. And then the email, I forgot to add, we're going to have to add the attachments. And let me see if we have the attachments on here real quick. There's these files. And then there it is, vegan food got quick. Ooh, there it is right there. And then right here. All right. So now that we got that, it's going to shoot them this. It's going to let them know. Now we got their information. We got the data. And it's all win-win. And then we'll create a list with this tag. And then whenever we want to run something else, or we want to load them up into, so look, check this out. And once all this is done, you can add them to our Facebook custom list. We've already gotten this set up with this account. And we'll get this set up with yours if you sign up to the affiliate link. And then check this out. We'll come over here, boom, boom. And then there's Facebook movement leads. So we got all the anything from Facebook that's coming in here. And it's got an audience going so that when it's time, we're retargeting and then we're creating lookalikes. Pretty awesome, huh? And then look, you can even add it to the API. Yeah. We've already got it in our values. So all we got to do is come in here, custom value, boom, because we just dropped the one number in one spot. And then we'll come over here. And then we got to use the Facebook pixel ID. There it is. We've added it already in there. We've already tested it, so everything's good. And then boom. So when it goes through all the stages, bam, it gets sitting there, and we're good. We're done. And then if you want it, you can even add it into the pipeline. No worries. They've already paid. I just need to add these guys' cards. But anyhow, we got this over here. So let me move this right there. And then now what's going to happen, see, we already got 2 leads over here. I think it was just me testing them. Yeah, just me testing. So, because the ads just went live today. And then what do we got going on? So we've got everything separated as well. As you can see, we've got organic funnel. We've got the Facebook funnel. We've got the onboard surveys. We've got appointment confirmations. It's got everything for your fitness CRM needs. And then we got, of course, all your pipelines. See, we got, we're testing here too as well. And then we're just seeing what was what. And everything will pop up right here showing what's what. There it is. And like I said, this was just, we're just testing over here because we just finally went live with everything. And as you can see here, we have a pipeline for the new clients when they come into onboard, set up the diet or workout, Zoom call books, send workout and diet. Boom. You know what I mean? Pretty much it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to drop this link. Now that we got the grocery list straight up, here it is. We're literally showing you exactly what we're doing. There's nothing to hide. This is how everybody does it. We're just showing you how we have the tools already, how you can do it if you wanted to do it yourself. It's all good, guys. And look how simple it is to do. You know what I mean? That's the coolest part. So now we got this. Let me make sure this is going to the right thing. We actually needed to go to, if we say go next step, we can't go next step. We're going to have it go to something else. Okay, so let's do this first. I'm going to come in here. Okay, so let's do this. Let me pause. Okay, so check it out. So you can have the option to where literally if you want the form and you want it to go to a certain page, boom. You can even add your Facebook pixels on here. But since we have it on the funnel, we have the pixel on there. I mean, I guess it would be better to have it on the form, right? So we might have to change that up. So let's come back over here. Now that we got this set up, now we got the funnel set up to where it's going to go, because we had it going to next step. And next step is basically home, right? So we had to drop it like it's hot over here, put the thank you link in the form. And so now that that's done, we'll have that right there. See, it's going to, when they click that, this is going to pop up. And then you go over here, make sure we're on the right one. Let me make sure we're on the right one. Hold on. Give me a second. All right, so I forgot one more thing to add on the form, and this is something I do recommend everybody to use, because what we're doing here is we're going to get permission from these guys. And let's see here if I can find it right quick. I've already created it. Checkbox. So here's checkbox. So checkbox, there it is. It's just giving them like, hey, It's required to click this. By checking the box below and submitting this form, you agree to follow Fit Movie LLC to send you allow Fit, to send them text messages. But that's how you got to do it, right? So we're going to add that. So we got that. And the cool part, so you can make this a link to where it's just a button to go to just a form, or you can or the form is just a funnel. But we want to make it look classy, not ashy. So we got this going. Here's the grocery list. So when they go to the thank you, it's going to go to this list and then to this page. And this is the thank you page. So I want y'all to see something. This is where the data comes into place. And I might need to add it on right now. And what we're going to add is the event code, the lead event code. So everybody knows that this is the thank you page. So considered on Facebook, anybody that lands on this page is considered a lead to us, because you want the people that fill out the form, and then of course, as soon as they fill out the form, they come here and then they land on this page. And when they land on here, it gets considered as an event. Like, oh, that just happened from this person. And since we got the information and Facebook has the data, it knows that we can build a list off of everybody that's on this page. See, right now it's not on there. It's only for page view. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add that code on there. And it's a little code, and I'll give it to you guys if you need it. I've already added it on this one because on our ads, instead of the thank you page, we're having them go straight to the calendar. In hopes of them to just schedule an appointment. And then that takes them to the thank you page. And then it also has them, join our private group, which y'all guys can join too if you like. But let me go ahead and grab this code. So there's a tracking code right here. And this is what we use. You can do it two ways. I do it old school. I still put the tracking code on the page. I don't know why. I just think it'll work better. But you can set it up in the ads manager and the events to where you just connect the link, and then that link, that thank you page link, will be considered a lead conversion. So I'm doing it old school. I'm going to put the thank you page over here. We're going to come in here, and we're actually going to drop the code into this page, so that anybody that lands on this page from now on, and which is, you're going to see that we're going to have a bunch of organic data. And it's perfect because I'm going to tell Facebook later, create a lookalike audience of everybody that's landed on this thank you page. And everybody that's landed on this thank you page are people that have signed up to one of our offers or one of our giveaways and stuff. And if that's the case, that's a lead. You know what I mean? That means they're into us. So there we go. And we're going to chop it up right here. And I'm going to come in this post. Please sign up here with this link and check email. Spam. And then we'll boom. There you go. And that's basically what we're doing. We just dropped it in here. Now it's in the post. As you can see, bam, bam. So when they click, they're going to come in here. One, they're going to be able to see some branding. As you can see here, boom, there's their pictures. Get my grocery list. Bam, bam. Sign right in here. Boom, boom. Let me get the right email so I can use. Sign right there. Check this out. It's going to sign me up. It's taking a little long. So long. Oh, it's just, I guess it's just taking long as I'm using this. But probably because it's fairly new. So let's see what happens. All right, let's check it out. We'll do a test. I have to refresh it. So let's see if it works now. Because it should take us to the thank you page, and then gets tagged, does everything that we said. I don't know because I've already got the email. So look, check it out. So it worked. I don't know why. It's just slow, probably because on the internet just slow right now. But if you come over here, you'll see the email that just came in. Let's go to this email. Check it out. There it is. Fit movement. Bam. Dear Joe, hope this email finds you well. As promised, have a grocery list. Simply click right here for schedule, and there's the stuff right there. All right, guys. If you have any questions, hit me up. Hit the appointment, the link, schedule an appointment, DM me. It's all good. Whatever you want to do, hit me up. Hope y'all enjoyed this and got some value out of this. Have a good one, guys. All right. Later.